How to hide profile pictures on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your profile picture on Facebook so it's not visible to everyone. Whether you want more privacy or just don't want anyone to see it, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone, but make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you have opened the Facebook, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the top left corner. Once you are in your profile page, tap on profile picture again to open it. After tapping on your picture, select view profile picture. Once your profile picture is opened, simply tap on three dot icon shown on the top right corner of the screen and the menu of options will appear. From that, tap on edit privacy. Here you will see privacy options like public, friends, friends accept, and only me. Select only me to completely hide your profile picture. Once you have selected only me, now you will be able to hide your profile picture on Facebook. And that's it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.